built a home with beating hands, ready to speak with love and past. You were my light, my reason why. Now I just talk to an empty sky. I'm still waiting at the door where your light started before. Every night I whisper low, come back home, don't let me go. But silence is all I know. You wore your cap, I fix your tie. Wash your chair, your dim sunfire. I gave you wings, I stayed behind. But now you're gone, and so is time. I'm still waiting at the door where your footsteps touch the floor. Even play began to fade. Once the love is always there.